Aitreya Aranyak. Navigating the spiritual wilderness of the Rigvedic forest. The Aitreya Aranyak, an integral part of the Rigvedic Aranyak texts, provides a mystical journey into the heart of Vedic spirituality and philosophical contemplation. This article delves into the intricacies of the Aitreya Aranyak, exploring its composition, themes, symbolism, and its role in guiding seekers through the symbolic wilderness of the spiritual realm. Brief overview. The Aitreya Aranyak, situated within the Rigvedic Aranyak literature, beckons us to venture into the sacred forest of philosophical insights and spiritual contemplation. Composed as a meditative extension of the Rigveda, this Aranyak invites seekers to explore the mysteries of existence, the cosmos, and the interconnectedness of all. Composition and structure. The Aitreya Aranyak consists of 3 chapters, each referred to as an Aranyak. These chapters blend prose and poetic passages, offering a seamless transition from the ritualistic hymns of the Rigveda to deeper philosophical inquiries. The progression within these chapters mirrors the seeker's journey from the outer world to the inner realms of understanding. Themes and symbolism. The Aranyak delves into profound philosophical themes, embracing the quest for understanding the nature of reality, the cosmos, and the self. It employs symbolism to convey deeper truths, using rituals and concepts as vehicles for exploring the metaphysical realm. The forest itself becomes a metaphor for the wilderness of spiritual exploration, where seekers delve into the depths of consciousness. Spiritual insights and contemplation. Beyond its symbolic language, the Aitreya Aranyak fosters contemplation on the profound nature of existence. It delves into the creation of the universe, the interplay of consciousness and matter, and the role of rituals in aligning with the cosmic order. The Aranyak encourages seekers to dive into introspection and self-awareness, transcending the superficial aspects of life. Inner and outer harmony. The Aitreya Aranyak underlines the interconnectedness of the inner and outer dimensions of human experience. It emphasizes the harmony between individual consciousness and the cosmic consciousness, mirroring the Vedic belief in the unity of all existence. The rituals and meditative practices prescribed in the Aranyak serve as pathways to attaining this harmonious unity. Contemporary relevance. In an age marked by materialism and external pursuits, the Aitreya Aranyak continues to hold relevance. Its teachings inspire modern seekers to embark on an inner journey, exploring the depths of consciousness and seeking a profound connection with the universe. Its philosophical inquiries guide individuals towards self-discovery, inner peace, and an awareness of the greater cosmos. Conclusion. The Aitreya Aranyak stands as an invitation to the sacred wilderness of the spiritual realm. Through its prose, poetry, and symbolism, it guides seekers through the vast landscapes of metaphysical contemplation and philosophical inquiry. It reminds us that the journey into the inner forest of the self is as significant as the quest for understanding the cosmos. By delving into the mysteries it presents, we encounter the timeless wisdom that transcends the boundaries of time, culture, and the external world, revealing the eternal truths that lie within.